Hi! Ako si Biyahe ni Drex. Samahan niyo ko as we watch Treasure in Manila. Presented by 1G Entertainment, IMA Philippines, and Live Nation PH. Today is D-Day, and as to me, I'm so excited for the first of in Asia here in Manila. Here's my outfit check. Upper box nga pala yung ticket ko, so I lined up early para makakuha agad ng poster. And yes, success naman tayo, nakakuha agad tayo ng poster pagpasok sa venue. I also love seeing all the tunes, sobrang saya ng energy. Ito tayo, first time ko gamitin yung iPhone 17 and perfect siya for moments like this. Then suddenly, nag-start na, lights down, then everyone started screaming, here they are, Treasure, with their signature concert lasers. Of course, here's my bias, Yoon Jae-yuk slaying as always. Then sinundan agad ito ng King Kong, and the crowd, wala nang chill, sobrang hype na. Nag-introduce sila, and syempre, our Manila boy Jungwoo, todo Tagalog, pinanindigan talaga niya ang pagiging Manila boy niya. Then of course, T-Pipe performed Move, and ito na yung sinasabi kong laser moment. Next, Psy performed, our ultimate composer, and I love this part, especially when they highlighted their band on stage. It's called the Four Rise Band, and after that, we shifted to Softer Vibes with Yellow, which I actually used as a BGM sa TikTok before, so medyo special siya for me. And yeah, when Saruru came on, grabe ang ganda ng light, super magical. And their night dance challenge for 2 minutes, classic K-pop concert, plus their mini CBTR, puro kalokohan, very treasure talaga. And then Better Than Me came, first time ko marinig siya live. I almost cried, their vocals sobrang solid. Then came Now Forever, one of my favorites from the Lactose album, their latest album, of course, yung Paradise. It is such a good vibe song and bagay na bagay talaga sa Pilipinas. And then Everything, Dying For You, grabe ang feels, may konting spills ulit. And to me, even as Asahi to rap, sobrang panic. Siya talaga yung real main rapper ng Treasure. And of course, it's not a Treasure without a party. They perform their classic songs. Lahat ng songs na classic and masaya talaga. Pinerform nila and then Rainbow started. And you know what it means? Encore na. Pero syempre Treasure to, parang 50 times yung encore. At sa trintahin yung tuhod ko na yung sumuko. Pero grabe sila, grabe yung energy. Solid 4th gen idols talaga sila. And also, syempre hindi mawawala yung classic ng Darari and Going Crazy na yung debut song nila from Treasure Box. Honestly, sulit na sulit talaga ang Treasure concert. I was screaming my lungs all out one night. I really believe they're still underrated. So if you got the chance, watch them live, don't miss it.